In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter rental property information in TurboTax if you need to report income from a rental property. TurboTax has a dedicated section for that, but it can be a little hidden if you do not know exactly where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to navigate to the correct area so you can get started quickly and avoid wasting time clicking through unrelated income categories. First, go to the top menu and hover over Income. This opens the section where TurboTax organizes the different types of earnings and tax-related entries you may need to report. Since rental property is treated separately from regular wages, this is the best place to begin. From there, click on Wages and Income Summary. This takes you to the main income overview page, where TurboTax lists all the categories you can review, edit, or add to your return. If you've already entered other income information, you'll still use this same summary page to access the rental area. Once you're on that page, use the search field and type in rental. This is a helpful shortcut, especially if you do not want to scroll through every income category manually. Searching helps narrow the results and makes it easier to find the exact section you need. When the matching option appears, click on Rentals, Royalties, and Farm. This category includes several types of property-related income, so make sure you choose the one with rental wording in it. That will lead you closer to the specific section for reporting a rental property. Next, find rental properties and royalties and click Start. If you've entered information here before, the button may say something slightly different, such as Edit or Revisit, but it serves the same purpose. This is the section where TurboTax begins the rental property interview. After that, click Yes when TurboTax asks whether you had rental property activity. This confirms that you want to proceed into the rental workflow and start entering the details connected to that property. At this point, TurboTax may show a message letting you know that you need to be on a plan that supports rental property reporting in order to continue. If that appears, you'll need to upgrade your plan before moving forward. This is normal because rental income and expenses are often part of more advanced tax situations and are not always included in the basic version. And that's how you get to the rental property section in TurboTax. Once you're in, you can continue entering the property details, income, and related expenses directly inside the guided workflow.